Hello everyone! Julia is here. I'm so glad to see you today, guys. Thank you for watching and drawing with me. And today you will learn how to draw a fairy. And what you will need? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be color pencils, crayons, markers, paints, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay, guys, today we will be drawing a fairy. So let's start drawing our fairy from her face. So it will be a cute fairy. And we are drawing a semicircle here. And two circles inside. It would be her eyes and a circle inside, and one more, and a spotlight. Circle, one more, and a spotlight. If something goes wrong, you just rub it out and draw again. And I will add some eyelashes. And a curved line here, it will be her nose, and a smile. And if you wish, you can draw curved lines here and eyebrows like drops. And now I will be drawing two semicircles here. It will be her ears, and I will be drawing now her hair and a semicircle and like curved line here again, like a semicircle, and it will be her hairband, just to decorate her hairstyle. And I will add some flowers here, or maybe you will decide to draw a butterfly, and some hair goes here as well, and just curved lines here. So, and now I will be drawing your neck two lines and a curved line here. So up to here it will be a t-shirt part of your dress, not too long because she's flying. And I will make your skirt of petals of the flowers, so it will be like few petals here, and you can design your own dress if you wish, and make some flowers and decorations. It's just up to you guys. And now I will be drawing her hand, in which she is holding her fairy stick. So I will be drawing a straight line and a straight line again. It will be her fairy stick, and just connect them. And then I will be drawing her fingers. Four of them will be seen. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can rub out this line inside and repeat. It's like squished ovals here. Your fingers not too thick. And we are drawing a star here. Or maybe you will decide to draw something else on her stick. It's up to you guys. And now I will be drawing another hand. And you can draw a flower or something into her hand. And I won't be drawing anything, it will be just a hand. So, and you can decorate your dress with any flowers and add more petals if you wish here. And now we will be drawing her legs. So I will just draw a straight line here and a little curved line here, and then I will be drawing her shoes and a circle here. And here I will be drawing another leg, and it will be going this way, and a little curved here and here, and again the same, drawing her shoe, a little bit curved like this, and a circle here for her shoes, her pom-pom. And now what we have to draw, just to add some more hair, and what we have to draw else, we have to draw wings, of course, in order our fairy could fly. So I will be drawing, like, you know, the wings from butterflies, and you can make them big, and if you wish you can make them small, and you can add some patterns, and this way. So, and I will add some patterns just to make them look beautiful, and you can draw any lines. So, and they can be absolutely different, not similar wings, the patterns on your wings. So it's just up to you and to your imagination. This is curved lines here, and maybe a little bit more simple here. So my fairy is ready, and now I will add one flower, a big flower, to my fairy to make it look even more beautiful. So I will just draw simple curved lines and repeat this line again to show that this is really a big flower, and one leaf here and one leaf here. And now I will be drawing some petals in different directions. So, and you can draw whatever flower you wish, guys. Easy like this, guys. So, and now we only have to color our fairy. So I will start coloring our fairy with her eyes, and I will make them blue, and you can make them brown or maybe gray, whatever color you wish. And I will also use blue for her wings, just to repeat these patterns we were drawing with you, to add some magic to our fairy. And you can color them even maybe pink, and make them brighter or lighter as you wish. And I will add maybe some pink to her wings, and you can add your own patterns. And here we go. Look how cute is our fairy, guys. And I will color her lips with bright pink, and we'll make her hair yellow. But you can color them red or brown, whatever color you wish. And maybe you will decide that this is a fairy of some particular flower. Maybe it's a rose fairy, or maybe it's a daisy fairy. It's up to you guys. And now I will be coloring her hairband with bright pink and make a flower purple, and we add some bright purple here. So I'm coloring with markers, but if you are coloring with pencils, you can do absolutely the same. So, and I will color t-shirt also with pink. And you can be here like a fashion designers and decide what dress to create to your fairy. And isn't it fantastic, guys? It's so cute that you can draw almost everything. And the limit is only your imagination, guys. So, and now I will be coloring his skirt with purple, and I love purple. And you can color it pink or maybe blue. It's just up to you guys. And this one I also will make the same color. Here we go. And I will make bright pink pompons here. And the shoes I will also color purple. So, and bright pink. Yeah. So, and you can also add some blush if you wish here. And some more details. And now I will be coloring with pencil the wings to make them light, look light and beautiful. So here we go. And you also have to color your fairy stick, and I will use yellow for the star and purple for the stick. And you can show this magic here, and even you can add some more magic and add some dots coming all around our fairy's magic stick. And you can draw even more lights here by using your yellow pencil or yellow marker or crayon, whatever you use to draw. And you can draw even more stars here if you wish. For example, I will draw a few of them here, just a few stars. And here's our magic. And isn't it fantastic, guys? Look how cute it is. And now I will color the flower. So I will be using pencils here, just to show you some techniques that pencils are working great in combinations with markers, and you can even draw with your pencils above your markers to add some patterns if you wish, or to make your markers look dark if you don't have a necessary color. So it's easy like this. Now I will use bright and green here. And don't forget to mix the pencils. If they are soft enough, you can make them look brighter if you wish. So mixing the pencils is just amazing. And I will make my flower pink. So I will be using pink pencil here. And you can use any colors. Maybe you will decide to make it purple, or maybe you will make it of different colors. Why not? And I would like to see your beautiful fairies, guys. Don't forget to share with me your beautiful artworks. I know that you have just a great imagination, and I would like to see your beautiful pictures. And look, guys, how cute is our fairy! Well done, guys! This is just a magic! Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing a fairy with me. And I really love drawing with you, my art friends. And if you enjoy my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Thank you, see you soon, stay safe, bye bye!